This is ProfitVoice, the tool that's going to allow you to have professional voiceovers for your videos and sell these to your own customers. So let's head right on to text-to-speech and see what it's all about. Right here, we're just going to select a language. So let's, for example, go with English. And then we're going to select one of these many people that we have right here. So let's go with Jenny. And we can see how she sounds.
Farmer.
And now we can type out anything here. So let's go with welcome to ProfitVoice. Click on synthesize text. And now play audio.
Welcome to ProfitVoice.
Perfect. And now we can modify different voice modulations however we want. So if you want to say it as characters, if we want to have more emphasis while it's talking, we can do that as well. If we want to have more volume, more speed, pitch, and pauses, we can play around with the voice modulations however we want. What's more, you can upload any text, any article, any video, anything you want into ProfitVoice, and it will automatically convert it to speech for you. But let's say, for example, you have an amazing article that's in a completely different language. All you have to do is go to translation right here. And here we just type our text. So we have a source language and a target language. And I'm just going to pick Romanian here. And you're going to have to trust me that hello there translates to Bună ziua. And you can upload files into this as well. So you can translate entire files with ProfitVoice at a click of a button. And then if you want, you can go and turn them into a voiceover. All with one click, all possible within ProfitVoice. So check it out right now, and I can't wait to see you inside.